Hi everyone students. Now match to the integration part 3 continuation. So in 2 marks question we complete the 10 problems. Okay. Now in the 2 marks continuation problems 11th one. What is the 11th one? Find the integration of 1 minus root x by x dx. We need to solve this. So in order to solve this one, in solution write down the given problem as it is. Integration of 1 minus root x by x dx. Okay. Now in order to solve this, separate the denominator to each and every term. That means integration 1 by x, separate the denominator 1 by x minus keep it as is. Now root x by x, root x by x dx. Now integration of 1 by x, separate the integration to each and every term. Integration of 1 by x dx minus here integration of here multiply and divide with root x here. In order to solve this one, multiply and divide with root x. Here root x by x into multiply and divide with root x by root x dx. Okay. Now integration of 1 by x, we have direct formula. What is the integration of 1 by x? Log x. That's why log x minus here integration of root x into root x whole square by x into root x dx. Here square root cancel. What is the remaining term here? X. In the denominator we have another x. That's why x cancel. So log x into log x minus integration of what is the remaining term? 1 by root x dx. Okay. So here log x minus integration of 1 by root x. Directly we have the formula 2 root x. Integration of 1 by root x, formula directly 2 root x. 2 root x plus c. That's the end of the solution, which is the value of 1 minus root x by x into dx. That's the end of the problem. Okay. Right. Now in the continuation, 12th problem is integration of x plus 1 by x whole cube into dx. So in order to solve this one, in solution write down the given problem as it is. Integration of x plus 1 by x whole cube into dx. Can you have directly formula for this one? Anyone? In which way? We have integration of x power n, integration of 1 by x like this. Can you have the directly formula for this one? No. That's why in order to change into the values which we have the formulas. That's why this is in the form of, if you consider x as a, 1 by x as b. Now this is in the form of a plus b whole cube. Okay, this is in the form of a plus b whole cube. Can you know the formula? Anyone? Yes. A plus b whole cube formula: a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is the formula for a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now here substitute in the place of a x, in the place of b 1 by x. Then we get the solution. Right? In continuation, integration of a plus b whole cube, in the place of a substitute x, a cube, that's why x cube, plus b cube, b value 1 by x, that's why 1 by x whole cube, plus 3ab, 3 into a value x, b value 1 by x into a plus b, a value x, b value 1 by x whole dx. Here just expand x plus 1 by x whole cube, then we can get these 4 terms. Now simplify this one. Integration of x cube 1 by x whole cube means 1 cube by x cube, that becomes 1 by x cube. X cancel. Okay. Now remaining 3 into 1, 3. 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into 1, 3 into 1 by x, 3 by x. 3 by x whole dx. Okay. That. Now separate the integration to each and every term. Integration of x cube plus, can you have the formula for direct line? 1 by x cube, integration of 1 by x cube? No, that's why we need to change into the form x power n. That's why integration of 1 by x cube. X cube taken into the numerator, x power minus 3 dx plus, here integration of 3 into x, that can be written as 3 into integration of x, because of this is in the form of integration of c into f of x. C into integration of f of x. Here also, what is the constant? 3. Okay. So 1 by x, integration of 1 by x dx. Understood clearly? Right. Now continuation. Now this is the form of x power n. What is the formula for integration of x power n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay. That's why in the place of n we have 3. That's why x power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. That's one completed now. Now integration of x power minus 3. Again that is also in the form of x power n only. That's why again in the place of n substitute minus 3. X power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1. Okay. Plus 3 into x. Directly we have the formula integration of x square by 2 plus 3 into integration of 1 by x. Here also we have the formula integration of 1 by x means log x. All terms integration completed. That's why write down plus c. Just to simplify this one. 3 plus 1 4. X power 4. 3 plus 1 4. Here x power minus 3 plus 1. X power minus 2. X power minus 2 by minus 2 plus 3 into x square by 2 plus 3 into log x plus. Okay. So final answer x power 4 by 4 plus into minus minus x power minus 2. That is in the numerator. The power exponent value or the power value negative. That's why taken into the numerator it becomes plus. So finally 1 by 2x square plus 3x square by 2 plus 3 log x plus c. That's the end of the problem. So which is the integration of x plus 1 by x whole cube into dx. That's the end of the problem. Right. Yes, children, continuation of 2 marks question. 13th one, integration of 1 minus x square whole cube into dx. Right? In solution, take the problem as is integration of 1 minus x square whole cube into dx. Okay? So again, we don't have the direct formula for this one. This is in the form of a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube. What is the formula for a minus b whole cube? Anyone? Yes. A minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay. Use this formula, then we can solve this problem. Now in the place of a we need to substitute a1. Next in the place of b we need to substitute x square. So here a 1 b x square, a minus b whole cube, a cube, a means 1, so integration of 1 cube minus b, b means x square whole cube minus 3 into a 1, next to b x square into a minus b, a value 1, next to b value x square. Okay. Whole dx. Now continue. concatenation integration of 1 cube 1 minus a power m whole power n, a power m into n, x square 2 3 6 minus 3 into x square 3x square into 1 minus x square whole dx. Okay. Next, integration of 1 concatenation 1 minus x power 6 minus 3 into x 3x square into 1 3x square minus into minus plus 3 1 3x square into x square x power 4 because of a power m into a power n plus n x power 2 into x power 2 2 plus 2 4. Now we have direct formula for each and every term. Integration of 1 x good. This is in the form of integration of x power 6 x power, this is in the form of x power n. What is the integration of x power n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. That's why x power 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 minus 3 into x square. X again x power n. Integration of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 into x power 4. X power 4 plus 1 by 4. Integration of x power 4 is 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 plus c. Now x minus x power 6 plus 1 7 by 7 minus 3 into x power 3 2 plus 1 3 plus 3 into x power 4 plus 1 5 by 5 plus c. Here 3 cancel. Final answer is x minus x power 7 by 7 minus x cube plus 3x power 5 by 5 plus c. That's the end of the solution for integration of 1 minus x square whole cube into dx. Okay? Any more doubts on that? Right, yes. Next, concatenation 14th problem. This is also 2 marks question. So, integration of sin square x by 1 plus cos 2x dx. In the solution, write out the given problem as it is. Integration of sin square x by 1 plus cos 2x into dx. Okay? Right. Can you have the direct formula for this one? In previous all formulas? No. That's why we need to transform into the functions which we have the formulas. That's why integration of sin square x by, we know the formula for 1 plus cos 2x. Anyone? Yes, 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. 2 cos square x. Here we use the formula 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x. Okay? Right. Now, concatenation. In this one, 1 by 2 constant now. That's why 1 by 2 constant. Integration of sin square x by cos square x. We know clearly sin x by cos x equal to tan x. Sin square x by cos square x is tan square x. Good. Tan square x. Can you have the formula for integration of tan square x? No. That's why we need to transform into the function which we have the formulas. So, what is the relation between secant square theta and tan square theta? Yes, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Okay? So, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1 now. From that, what is the tan square theta? Secant square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta. Secant square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta. In which way we get this formula? Plus tan square theta taken into the opposite side, minus 1. Minus 1 taken into the opposite side, plus secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. From there, we have secant square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta. Now, 1 by 2 into, in the place of tan square x, substitute secant square x minus. If theta is there, then theta. If x is there, then secant square x. Secant square x minus 1 into dx. Okay, secant square x minus 1 into dx. Now, integration of u minus v. Integration of u minus integration of v. Integration of secant square theta. Yes, integration of secant square theta is tan theta. In terms of x now, that's why tan x minus integration of 1 x. That's why completed na. That's why plus c. Write down plus c. So finally integration of sin square x by 1 plus cos 2x dx equal to 1 by 2 into tan x minus x plus. That's the end of the problem. This one is very important. Compared with previous all problems in 2 marks question, this one is most important. Right. Yes. Next, continuation of 2 marks questions in integration topic. 15th problem. What is the integration of 1 minus cos 2x dx? Right. So in order to solve this, write out the given problem as it is. Integration of 1 minus cos 2x dx. We don't have the direct formula for this one. Okay? That's why transform into the formula in which we transform into the function which we have the formula. So clearly we have the formula for 1 minus cos 2x. Okay. So what is the formula for 1 minus cos 2x? 1 minus cos 2x. 1 plus cos 2x is cos square x. 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. Okay, 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. So that's why in the place of 1 minus cos 2x, substitute 2 sin square x. Square root of 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sin square x dx. Okay, separate the root 2 each and every term. Then root 2 is constant. That's why root 2 into root integration of root 2 into square root of sin square x dx. Square thing, root cancel. Now root 2 is constant. Root 2 is constant. What is the remaining term in the integration? Only sin x. Good. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. So plus c. Okay. So finally minus root 2 into cos x plus c. Minus root 2 cos x plus c. Where the integration of 1 minus cos 2x dx. Okay. Right. Next, continuation of the problems. 2 marks. Integration of 1 plus sin 2x dx. This is also very important for 2 marks question. Very important this one. Integration of square root of 1 plus sin 2x. In order to solve this one, in the place of 1, we substitute sin square x plus cos square x. We know the clear trigonometric identities. First trigonometric identity, sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. That's why in the place of 1, substitute sin square x plus cos square x. Good. So in the place of 1, substitute square root of sin square x plus cos square x. Now sin 2x. What is the formula for sin 2x? 2 sin x cos x. That's why substitute in the place of sin 2x 2 sin x cos x. Okay, 2 sin x cos x. Now just observe, in the place of sin x consider a, cos x consider as b. Then read it. Then sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x in terms of a and b, a square plus b square plus 2 sin a sin b. What is the formula for 2ab? So a square plus b square plus 2ab. What is the formula that one? A plus b whole square. But in the place of a we have sin x. In the place of b we have cos x. That's why square root of a plus b sin x plus cos x whole square into dx. Okay. Now square root cancel. Integration of sin x plus cos x dx. Now simplify this one. What is the integration of sin x? Cos x. Good. So integration of sin x is minus cos x. Okay. Integration of cos x is sin x. So total terms integration completed now. That's why write down plus c. So finally the solution is sin x. First write down the sin x positive term. After that negative term. Minus cos x plus c. So finally integration of square root of 1 plus sin 2x dx equal to sin x minus cos x plus. Okay, right. Next continuation, 17th problem. Integration of secant square x into cosecant square x dx. In solution, take the problem as it is. Integration of secant square x into cosecant square x dx. Can you have the direct formula for this one? Integration of secant square x into cosecant square x? No. We have the formula for only integration of secant square x. In other words, in integration of cosecant square x also we have. But we don't have the formula for integration of secant square x into cosecant square. In which way we can finish this one? Just listen. Integration of secant theta in the terms of cos theta 1 by cos theta. Secant square theta 1 by cos square theta. Secant square x 1 by cos square x into cosecant square x. In terms of sin square x, right, 1 by sin square x. 1 by sin square x into dx. Okay, integration of 1 into 1. 1 by cos square x into sin square x. Cos square x into sin square x dx. Now 1 in terms of sin theta and cos theta. What is the trigonometric, first trigonometric identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. That's why 1 can be replaced by sin square x plus cos square x. Sin square x plus cos square x. Because of one value from the first trigonometric identity, 1 can be replaced by sin square theta plus cos square theta. In terms of x, sin square x plus cos square x by cos square x into sin square x, a denominator as it is. Okay. Now separate the denominator. Sin square x by cos square x into sin square x. Separate the denominator to each term of the numerator. Okay. Plus cos square x by cos square x into sin square x dx. Okay. Now sin square x is sin square x cancel. In the next term, cos square x is cos square x cancel. Okay. Now what are the remaining terms? 1 by cos square x. 1 by cos square x can be written as good secant square x. 1 by cos square x can be written as secant square x plus 1 by sin square x can be written as good cosecant square x. Okay. Now we have the formula separately. Here we have product, but here we have addition. That's why integration of u plus v. Integration of u plus integration of v. Here we have no choice in order to split this one. That's why here integration of secant square x. What is the integration of secant square x? Tan x, good tan x plus integration of cosecant square x minus cot x. Minus cot x plus c. So finally this can be written as tan x plus into minus minus cot x plus c, which is the integration of secant square x into cosecant square x dx. Integration of secant square x into cosecant square x dx equal to tan x minus cot x plus. That's the end of the 17th problem. Now we go for 18th problem. In solution, write down the given problem as it is. Integration of 1 by cos hx plus sin hx dx. We don't have the direct formula for this function. That's why in order to do this one, rationalize the denominator. Okay, rationalize the denominator. That means cos hx plus sin hx. It's a rationalization factor is cos hx minus sin hx. That's why multiply and divide with cos hx minus sin hx. So that's why integration of 1 by cos hx plus sin hx into what is the rationalization factor? Cos hx minus sin hx by cos hx minus sin hx. If you multiply and divide with the same function, the actual problem there is no change. If you multiply and divide with the same term, then we get the same solution. Okay. So now here integration of 1 into cos hx minus sin hx, cos hx minus sin hx. This in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. That means cos h square x minus sin h square x dx. Okay. Next step. In the next step, cos hx minus sin hx by, in the hyperbolic function, this one is identity. That means cos h square x minus sin h square x equal to 1. Okay. In normal functions, normal trigonometric function, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. But in the hyperbolic functions, cos h square theta minus sin h square theta equal to 1. That's why cos h square x minus sin h square equal to 1 dx. Okay. So something by 1 is something only. That's why integration of cos hx minus sin hx whole dx. Now simply write down the formulas for this one. Integration of cos hx is sin hx minus integration of sin hx is cos hx plus c. Okay, that's the end of the problem. This is the solution for integration of 1 by cos hx plus sin hx dx. Right down. Yes, students. Next continuation of 2 marks problems. Next question 19th one. Integration of a power x minus b power x whole square by a power x into b power x dx. Right. In the solution, take the problem as it is. Integration of a power x minus b power x whole square by a power x into a power x into b power x. Now, in order to get the solution, split the numerator. That is in the form of a minus b whole square formula. Okay. What is the formula for a minus b whole square? A square. A means a power x. A square minus 2ab. A means a power x. B means b power x plus b square. B power x whole square by a power x into b power x dx. Okay. Now subtract the denominator to each and every term of the numerator. A power x whole square by a power x into b power x minus 2 into a power x into b power x by a power x into b power x plus b power x whole square. B power x whole square by a power x into b power x dx. Okay. Now a power x whole square, this square a power x cancel. Here a power x cancel, b power x cancel, b power x whole square, square this b power x cancel. Now what are the remaining terms? A power x by b power x. A power x in the numerator by b power x in the denominator. That can be written as a by b whole power x. Good. Minus only 2. All are cancelled now. A power x cancel, b power x cancel. Remaining term only one, that's why minus 2. Here also, as now this can be written as b power x by a power x means b by a whole power x. B by a whole power x dx. Okay, b by a whole power x. Now say this is in which formula? Okay, this is in which form? Okay, so this is the form of integration of a power x dx. What is the integration of a power x dx? Good. A power x by log a plus a. That is the formula. Integration of e power x is e power x, but integration of a power x is a power x by log a, where a is constant. In the same way, in the place of a we have a by b. So a by b is constant, here a is also constant. If a is there, a power x by log a. If a by b whole power x there, a by b whole power x is there, then a by b whole power x by, here a is there by log a. Here a by b is there now, that's why log a by b. Log a by b minus 2 into integration of 1 x plus, again this is the formula same, a power x. So that's why b by a whole power x integration is b by a whole power x by, if a is there, by log a, b by is there, log b by a, b by a plus c. So we need to simplify this one. So a by b whole power x by log a by b. What is the formula for log a by b? Log a minus log b na? Log a minus log b minus 2x plus, here b by a whole power x as it is, log b by a. Log b by a can be written as log b minus log a plus c. Now continuation, a by b whole power x, a by b whole power x by log a minus log b, log a minus log b. Here first write down this one. After writing this one, we can continue minus 2x. We can write minus 2x. Here log b minus log a, in the denominator if we common the negative term, that means minus, if we common minus from these two terms, then we have to write like this, minus b by a whole power x by, here log b minus log a, if we common minus, plus into minus, minus log a minus log b, log a minus log b, remaining minus 2x as is minus 2x plus. Understood clearly? This one is important. From this, here the same term write as is, here in this term b by a whole power x as is, here important. We have log b minus log b. If you common minus from these two terms, then we have to write first log a. Here minus is common, so that minus into plus minus. If minus is common, then we have to write first term as log a minus. Here plus minus is common, minus log b, minus 2x, minus 2x. Okay. Now log a minus log b denominators are same now. That's why add the numerators. Then we have to write a by b whole power x minus b by a whole power x by log a minus log b plus minus 2x plus. Now the continuation final step is a by b whole power x minus b by a whole power x. This is in the form of log a minus log b. Log a minus log b is log a by b minus 2x as is plus c, which is the solution of integration of a power x minus b power x whole square by a power x into b power x dx. Okay? Clear? Any more doubts? Right. Ready? Yes, students. Next continuation, 2 marks problems, 28th problem. Integration of 1 plus sin square x by 1 plus cos 2x dx. Okay, we need to find this integration. Okay, so in solution write down the given problem as it is. Integration of 1 plus sin square x by 1 plus cos 2x dx. Now integration of 1 plus sin square x, keep it as it is. 1 plus cos 2x. In earlier classes that one completed, 1 plus cos 2x. What is the formula for 1 plus cos 2x? 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. Good. 2 cos square x. That's why in the place of 1 plus cos 2x substitute 2 cos square x dx as it is. Okay. Now 2 is constant, na? That's why that taken into the outside 1 by 2 is constant in the integration of 1 plus sin square x by cos square x dx. Now separate the denominator, each term of the numerator 1 by cos square x. 1 by cos square x plus sin square x by cos square x dx. Okay. Now continuation 1 by 2 into 1 by cos square x. Yes, that can be written in the terms of secant square theta by secant square x. Secant square x, sin square theta by cos square theta. Yes, tan square theta. Sin square x by cos square x. Tan square x. Tan square x dx. Up to here, okay. We have the formula for integration of secant square x also. What is the integration of secant square x? Tan x. Good. But what about tan square x? Can you have the formula for that one? No. That's why we need to transform that one. In which way we can transform? Listen carefully. Secant square x, keep it as means tan square theta. What is the second trigonometric identity? Yes, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. From that, tan square theta can be written as tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1. In other words, secant square theta minus 1 is also tan square theta. That's why in the place of tan square theta, we can substitute secant square theta minus 1. Okay, if you have any doubt, minus 1 taken into this side, plus 1. Plus tan square theta taken into the other side, opposite side, then minus. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1 only. Which is the second trigonometric identity. That's why in the place of tan square x, substitute secant square x minus 1 dx. Okay. So now 1 by 2 into integration of secant square x plus secant square x to secant square x minus 1 as it is into dx. Now the continuation 1 by 2 is constant for total function. Here what is the integration of 2 into secant square x? 2 into, because of this in the form of c into f of x. Integration of c into f of x is c into integration of f of x. That's why 2 constant na integration of secant square x. What is the integration of secant square x? Tan x. Good. Tan x minus 1. Integration of 1 x. Total terms integration completed now. That's why write down plus c. Now 1 by 2 into, multiply with 1 by 2 each term of this bracket, then 1 by 2 into 2 tan x minus 1 by 2 into x by 2 plus c. 2 cancel, tan x minus x by 2 plus c. Tan x minus x by 2 plus c, which is the integration of 1 plus sin square x by 1 plus cos 2x dx. That's the end of the solution. Write down. Yes, children. Continuation of integrations. 2 marks question. 21st question. Integration of 1 by 1 plus cos x. Okay. Can you have the formula for this one? No. That's why we need to simplify like this. In the solution, write down the given problem as it is. Okay. So in order to solve this one, rationalize the denominator. So rationalization with the rationalization factor. What is the rationalization factor of 1 plus cos x is? 1 minus cos x. That's why integration of 1 by 1 plus cos x into rationalization of 1 plus cos x conjugate 1 minus cos x by 1 minus cos x dx. Okay. Now 1 into 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x. Now the denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. 1 square is 1 square minus cos square x, cos x into cos x, cos square x. Na? So 1 minus cos x by 1 square, 1 minus cos square x is sin square x, sin square x dx. Okay. Separate the denominator. 1 by sin square x dx minus cos x by sin square x dx. Separate the denominator to each term of the numerator. As next integration of 1 by sin square x. As 1 by sin x is cosecant x. x. 1 by sin square x is cosecant square x minus, this can be written as like this. Sin square x na, sin square x can be written as sin x into sin x. That's why 1 by sin x into cos x by sin x. If you have any doubt, then multiply this one, 1 into cos x, sin x into sin x, sin square x. We get the same function. Okay. Now into dx. Okay. Now continuation here. Integration of cosecant square x minus 1 by sin x, again cosecant x. Okay. Cosecant x. Cos x by sin x. Yes. In terms of cot theta. Yes. Cos x by sin x is cot theta. That means cot x. For dx. Now, for these two functions, we have direct formulas. So, integration of cosecant square x, yes, minus cot x. Minus, in the problem only we have minus, na? Now, integration of cosecant x into cot x. Integration of cosecant x into cot x is minus cosecant x plus secant x. Okay? So, here continuation minus cot x. Okay, directly write down. Minus into minus. First write down the positive one. That's why cosecant x minus cot x plus c, which is the integration of 1 by 1 plus cos x into dx. Any more doubts on this one? Okay. Just observe this one. How many problems we have in this problem means here 1 minus cos square theta, one formula, sin square theta. Okay. Next 1 by sin x, 1 by sin square x, cosecant. This is another formula. Cos theta by sin theta, cot theta, 1 by sin theta, cosecant theta. Next, integration of cosecant square x minus cot x. Integration of cosecant x into cot x minus cosecant x. How many formulas we have? That's why formulas are very important. If you perfect in the formulas, then only we can finish each and every problem of the integration. Otherwise, very difficult to do. Okay? Right on. Yes, students, next continuation 22nd problem in very short answer questions integration topic. So, in order to solve this one, find the integration of x plus 1 x plus 2. In order to solve this one, first take this function. What is that function? 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2. We don't have the direct formula for this one. That's why split this function. Okay. So actually this process is called as partial fractions. Okay. In 2A syllabus we have separate chapter for this one. We have in this partial fractions only 2-3 problems depends on this partial fraction. That's why listen clearly. 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2. So separate each and every term by taking constants a and b. A by x plus 1, b by x plus 2. After that, do the LCM. What is the LCM? X plus 1 into x plus 2 is the LCM. Okay, so do the x plus 1 into multiplying with which value, then we can get this product x plus 2. That's why x plus 2 into numerator a into x plus 2 plus x plus 2 multiplying with which value, then we can get this product x plus 1. That's why b into x plus 1. Okay, so 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2. X plus 1 x plus 2 x plus 1 x plus 2 cancel. Now what is the remaining term? 1 equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Take this is the first equation. Understood clearly? In order to finish this problem, split this function. Okay? Like this, a by x plus 1, b by x plus 2. So if we get the values of a and b, then we can write directly 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2, value of b a, value of. That's why we need to find that one. By using substitution method, we get the values of a and b like this. First, if you take x equal to minus 1, substitute both sides, minus 1 plus 1 0, then we get the value of a. If we substitute x equal minus 2 plus 2 0, then we get the value of b. That's why first substitute x equal to minus 1 in first equation. First equation implies 1 equal to a into, in the place of x substitute minus 1. Yes, minus 1 plus 2 plus b into minus 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 into minus 1 plus 2 means 1 only. B into minus 1 plus 0 into b 0, a into 1 a. So a equal to 1. Okay. In the same way, we get the value of b also. In which way? In this first equation, substitute x equal minus 2. Then a value a into 0 is 0. Then we get the value of b. Okay. Substitute x equal to minus 2 in first equation. Then first equation implies yes 1 equal to a into x value minus 2 na, in this case minus 2 plus 2 plus b into minus 2 plus 1. Okay, yes, 1 into minus 2 plus 2 0, b into minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. Okay, a into 0 0 only, so 1 equal to 0 minus b into minus 1 minus b. With minus b taken into this side, plus b, plus 1 taken into that opposite side, minus 1. Now a value 1, b value 1, minus 1. Substitute these values in this way. Then therefore 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 equal to a value how much? 1 by x plus 1 plus b value minus 1. So minus 1 by x plus 2. Okay. Now take the integration both sides. Integration of 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx equal to integration of 1 by x plus 1 plus into minus 1 by x plus 2 dx. Okay. Now integration of 1 by x plus 1. This in the form x. This in the form of integration of 1 by x. Okay. Integration of 1 by x is log x. Integration of 1 by x plus 1 is log of x plus 1 minus integration of 1 by x plus 2. This in the form of 1 by x. Here this formula is applicable for only x term is there. That means 1 by x, integration of 1 by x is log x. Integration of 1 by x plus 1 log of x plus 1. But integration of 1 by x square is in the form of integration of 1 by x. No, that formula is not applicable for this one because of actual formula is integration of f dash x by f of x is log f of x. Continuation in the next class I will explain that formulas also. So here just x coefficient 1, x power is also 1, then only the formula is applicable. That means if the problem is in the form of 1 by f of x, that means 1 by x, then we can apply the formula log x. That's why here also x coefficient 1, x power is also 1. That's why integration of 1 by x log x, here x plus 2 plus c. Okay. Now log a minus log b, log a by b, x plus 1 by x plus 2 plus c, which is the integration of 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx. Here most important this one only. 1 by x form, whenever we apply the 1 by x form, the terms and conditions is must use x coefficient is 1, x power is also 1, then only we can write log 1 by x plus 2, log of x plus 2, integration of 1 by x plus 3, log of x plus 3. But if integration of 1 by 2x plus 1, not log of 2x plus 1. Okay? Because of 2x differentiation 2. Okay? So, this model problems I will continue in the next class. Okay? Right. Students, next problem, integration of x power 6 minus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Okay, in order to do this, first divide numerator by the denominator. Okay, that means integration of x power 6 minus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Okay, first there is no choice to split this one. That's why we need to divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay, x power 6 minus 1 divide. Dividing the polynomial by the other polynomial, learn in 8th class, 8th standard only. Okay, x square plus 1. X square multiplying with which value, then we can get x power 6. Anyone? Yes, x power 4. X square into x power 4 is x power 6. Next continuation, 1 into x power 4, x power 4. Change the signs in order to simplify this one. Here, if plus is there, minus. If minus is there, plus. Here also plus, that's why minus. X plus x power 6 minus x power 6 cancel. What are the remaining terms? Minus 1 minus x power 4. Then write minus x power 4 minus 1. Okay. Next continuation, x square multiplying with which value? Then we can get minus x power 4. So first sign important. Here plus. In order to get minus, we need to multiply with minus. Plus into minus, minus. Okay. X square multiplying with which value? Then we can get x power 4, x square. X square into minus x square, minus x power 4. Plus into minus, minus 1 into x square, x square. Now again change the signs. So minus x power 4 plus x power 4 cancel. Now what are the remaining terms? Plus x square minus 1. Now x square, that's why multiplying with 1, then we can get the same value. X square into 1, x square. Okay. Plus into plus 1 into plus 1. Plus 1. Okay. Change the signs. Minus, minus. Plus x square minus x square cancel. Minus 1, minus 1. Minus 2. Okay. That's why now therefore x power 6 minus 1 by x square plus 1, that can be written as x power 4 minus x square plus 1. This one is coefficient. Coefficient remainder divisor. So finally write down remainder by divisor, x square plus 1. Not understood clearly. So here for example 7 by 2 is there, na? We need to divide 7 by 2. Okay? So in which we can divide this one 2. 2 3 is 6. What is the remainder? 1. In which we can write down 7 by 2 now 3 less. Okay, remainder by divisor. Okay, so clearly Euclid division lemma, division algorithm. What are they? P of x equal to P of x equal to just 7 by 2 equal to 3 plus 1 by 2 na? So in the same way we can write like this, coefficient plus this one is quotient plus remainder by divisor. Okay. Now take the action problem. Integration of x power 6 minus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Okay. Now this can be written as x power 4 minus x square plus 1 plus into minus minus 2 by x square plus 1 4 dx. Okay. Now directly write down. We have the formula integration of x power 4 x power 5 by 5 because of this in the form of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 x power 4 plus 1 5 by 5 minus integration of x square x cube by 3 x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus integration of 1 x minus 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square. What is the integration of 1 by 1 plus x square according to the formula? Tan inverse x plus, okay, so which is the integration of x power 6 minus 1 x square plus 1 dx equal to x power 5 by 5 minus x cube by 3 plus x minus 2 into that. Okay, in the integrations we have only one problem like this. Okay, so x power 6 minus 1, like whenever we have we don't have the choice to split the function, then we need to divide the numerator by the denominator, then we get the solution. Okay, understand? Okay, thank you, and write down the notes.